I am so excited to tell you guys about this product that I have here today. I've never seen anything like this before. This looks like you have some type of device, like a camera or something on your counter. And why would you want this in your bathroom? What is this thing? So I'm going to tell you guys what this is exactly. This is a nano hydration device, and this is not just a mist spray. This is ultra fine mist hydration, so that automatically adjusts the output based on the distance of how you're holding this to your skin. I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like. Look how small and compact this is. So as you can see, it has an LED screen which allows you to select different modes. So there are different modes depending on your preference. Go ahead and test those out. I'm going to just show you what it's like for standard mode right now, just so you can see what this mist looks like when I do this. Oops, and I sprayed the camera. So here you see you just hit start and look at this mist. It's like a cloud. It feels a little cooler also. So what I love about this is that it has this cooling property, but it also just takes a tiny bit of your product and super hydration into the skin right away. You can actually feel the hydration. I've used this for probably a week and I wanted to test this out, so I was using it without applying any other moisturizer afterwards on the product just to see if I could really feel a difference. And I cannot tell you, my skin was dewy for hours and hours after using this. And so that, to me as a master esthetician, just lets me know how effective this is at really moisturizing the skin. So now you can see I'm kind of showing you a demo of how to use this. You can take that little capsule out, and it does come with a replacement capsule, but you just fill in the toner of choice that you would prefer to use. They say to use a water-based one versus an oil-based one because it's going to obviously spray better if it's water-based. So I'm going ahead and just filling this up with my favorite toner, and then I'm going to show you. So on the front you turn it on, and then on the back, this was really important because I couldn't figure this out, but this thing that looks like a speaker on the back, it's actually a little scroll bar. So that's how you control the entire device. You just scroll through the modes, and when you initially get this device, you can actually select which language that you want, and so that's also how you select the language, and then you'll just select the power button is how you select the mode that you want. And I also love how lightweight this is. I love that I can travel with this. So as I mentioned, it does have kind of like a cooling effect. So it's super amazing to take with you into the car, with sports, travel, airplane if you want that refresher. This is the perfect device. It holds 7 days of charge, charges super quickly, and it comes with the charger and everything. Now this has this golden 10 droplet size, which means that the actual amount of the droplet is smaller. It's going to absorb quicker into your skin, and it has this hydration in less time kind of theme. So if you were going to put on a 15-minute mask, this can actually hydrate at the same level in 30 seconds, and you can use your own toner, which is so amazing. So I obviously have my favorite toners, and you can fill this in so you're not stuck to one product. And this is just an example to show you how tiny and micro this small mist can be, and compared to others. Like if you've ever used a toner, you kind of get those large droplets on your skin and they don't really absorb into your skin. This one will absorb so quickly, so you just spray for like 10 to 30 seconds and your skin just sucks in all of the toner, and it's amazing. And I also love that it has this automatic distance, so if you're holding it too far or too close to your face, it will automatically adjust, so you're not going to waste any product. It knows exactly how much you need. It's a smart device. It has an app, so it can actually scan your face and tell you where you need more toner, where you need more moisture. But this is a way to completely update your skin routine and have a high-tech way of making sure you're not wasting any of your toner, making sure that you're getting that extra hydration. Now, toners are really important when you're trying to balance that pH level after you've cleansed your skin, because typically cleanser will strip your skin from that pH balance. So you need to bring the levels back. So that's why you never want to skip toner. And then this device from I Knew Me is going to just take it to an entirely new level I absolutely love this device. This is a Kickstarter, so they're getting this started. So I'm going to put the link in the description below so that you can grab one and make sure that you're on the list for that. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. I'm happy that you made it to the end of this video. If you haven't yet, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Hit like if you liked this device, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.